Why not make an automatic payment of £50 a month and start building your wealth today? As they say, better late than never. You have to start somewhere, and that time is now. Welcome to Wealth Wars. I am Claudio and I am on a journey to grow my humble assets, sharing everything I earn along the way. Today we are following up on our popular 20,000 investment guide. I leave the link here with something even more accessible. What if I told you that you could start investing with just £50 a month? In this video I show you exactly how to set up an automatic monthly investment with AGBell. By the end you will know how to do the same, even if you never invested before. If you are new here, Wealth Wars is all about growing our financial knowledge together. I am not a financial expert, just someone documenting my journey and sharing what I learned. Before we dive in, remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you find this helpful. It costs you nothing, but means everything for the channel growth. Let's address the elephant in the room. Why bother with just £50 a month? Because starting is more important than the amount. As they say, better late than never. You have to take action and do it now. Financial experts consistently emphasize that establishing a consistent investment habit is one of the most powerful things you can do for financial future. It's not about how much you start with, it's about building the habit and giving your money time to grow. First, let's talk about why I chose AGBell for my regular investment. After comparing various platforms, AGBell stood out for their straightforward fee structure, user-friendly interface, excellent customer service, low minimum monthly investment of just £50. Their fee structure is competitive at 0.25%. On the first £250,000 with a £1.50 regular investment deadline change, which make it affordable even small monthly contribution. I have already set up my stock and share ISA following the process I show in my previous video. If you haven't seen it, I'll link in the description. Now for the important part, setting up the regular monthly payment. This part is straightforward. You will need your bank account details to decide on amount. In this case I chose £50. To select a payment date that works for you. Remember, setting up the payment is just the first step. This simply sends money to your AGBell account. You will still need to decide what to invest in. It's crucial to understand the distinction between depositing cash and actually purchase investments. Now comes the important decision. What to invest in with your monthly £50? AGBell offers several options for regular investors. Individual shares for £50 may limit your choice. ETF, exchange trade funds, investment trust, mutual funds. For beginners, I recommend starting with a diversified fund that gives you exposure to many companies at once. This provides instant diversification even with a small monthly amount. In my next video, I will show you exactly which investments I select for my own portfolio and explain my reasoning in detail. Let me show why starting small but consistent matters. If you invest £50 monthly with average 7% annual return, after 10 years approximately is £8,500. After 20 years, £24,600. After 30 years, £50,000. This number is clearly demonstrated that the magic is in the monthly amount. It's in the consistency and time in the market. Even modest contributions can grow significantly over decades. The key takeaway here is that small, consistent investing builds wealth over time. Even if you start with just £50 a month, the earlier you begin, the more time your money has to work for you. Before we wrap up, here are some important things to remember. Set up your payment, but don't forget to actually invest the money once it arrives in your account. Start with broad, diversify your options if you are new to investing. Increase your monthly amount whatever you can afford. Stay consistent even in the market downturns. Using a stocks and shares ISA like I am means your investment grows tax-free, which is a significant advantage for UK investors. The current annual ISA's allowance is £20,000, but even if you are only investing a small amount monthly, the tax benefit still apply. Remember, the most important step is simply to begin. Whether it's £50, £100 or more, getting started now give your money more time to grow. I will be updating you in future videos about what I choose to invest in and how my portfolio develops over time. Research shows that public committing to your investments goal increases your likelihood of following through, which is another reason I'm sharing my journey with you. If you found again this video useful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to help work. It costs you nothing but helps the channel grow tremendously. Let me know in the comment if you are starting investing with small amounts or if you have a question about getting started. Your comments also help the video reach more people who may benefit from this information. In addition, I leave in the description a simple portfolio to take as a starting point as well as other useful resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next one. Keep growing, keep learning.